birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Belum, ikaw marunong magluto
Happy
eh.
birthday,
Belum,
happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Nina.
Push na.
Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's a little late now. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog but it's already almost 3 p.m. And today is my birthday. And hindi pa ako naliligo. Nagsusukat kasi ako ng susuotan ko. Ma? Hi, kasi...
Pinalaundry mo pala.
Hi.
Hello.
Magkano yun? Okay, so hindi pa ako naliligo pero nagsusukat lang ako ng mga nabili kong damit before sa Bangkok and yung mga padala sa akin na hindi ko pa nasusuot kasi nga lockdown. But ito yung napili ko. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ano to eh, romper. Ang ganda-ganda kasi dun sa mannequin. Nung binili ko to, maluwag sa akin dito sa may... As in, bagsak siya tignan. So, hindi ko siya sinuot for almost 8 months. Pero ngayon, nakita ko siya and I feel like I'm gonna wear it na. Kasi sakto na siya. So, ayun yung itsura niya sa likod. So, tinatay siya. It's like a dress looking, but it's a romper. Tatanggal ba? Hindi natatanggal yung buttons dito. So, the zipper siya sa likod. At tapos puffy sleeves din siya. So, ito guys, sa Bangkok ko nabili ha. If you guys are finding the link anywhere in the description box, hindi siya makikita. Pero I'll try to find similar to this. So, kung meron man, ililink ko na lang din sa comment sections para if interested kayo to buy something like this, makibili nyo siya. So, ayun. Yung itsura ko, alam niyo yung itsurang quarantine talaga. Quarantine. So, ayan, tinan nyo naman yung kilay ko. Mukha na siyang kumapal siya and naging sabog siya tignan. Kasi hindi ako sanay with plucking. Talagang threading ako. So, by the end of this video, I will also make a birthday haul. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-social kasi yung parents ko, binalan lang ako ng Funko Pop and sometimes, yun, nagbigay lang din ng konting cash. But that's fine. I'm not really thinking of anything right now, but alam niyo yun, maging safe yung family ko due to COVID and to anyone I know. As much as possible, I always pray that at night, na sana yung mga kakilala ko and alam niyo yun, yung the people I know, especially my family, are safe sa COVID. Sobrang stressful ng COVID for me. That's why, if napapansin nyo, wala tayong content. So guys, we'll be back. Ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko. Maliligo muna ako. Magme-makeup. Konti lang naman, like brow gel and stuff. So, ito yung... Guys, ayan yung isang gift ko for myself. It's a gift for myself. It's the MacBook Air 13-inch. And alam nyo naman na when you have a good quality MacBook Air, it can last you years. Nung in-announce to, I have the MacBook Air 2015, which you have available like yung different kind of ports. So you have USB port, SD card, and all that ish. So this one, nung in-announce to before, sabi ko kay Alan, nakakaasar yung Apple. Ba't sila mag-release ng MacBook na tatanggalin nila lahat ng ports? So you have 2 Type-C ports lang and a headphone jack here. So you need to buy a hub or adapter para ma-insert nyo yung USB nyo, flash drives, hard disk, SD card, and HDMI. That cost me 2,000. We went sa mall kahapon. Don't worry guys. It's safe. We're safe. Super social distancing and we just bought what we need. This one is the Type-C hub or adapter. So we have 2 USB ports, 2 Type-C ports, tapos isang HDMI. So when you insert this, you can insert the charger here, magcha-charge siya. While charging, you can also insert different kinds of ports. Like, pwede ka manood ng TV. And it's also a 4K HD na. So, this one is 2,000 pesos. That is super pricey, plus this one. So, alam niyo yun, ni-remove nila yung mga ports, plus you need this one. I mean, parang yung iPhone nila na tinanggalan ng headphone jack and then release yung AirPods. So, ang dami na naman sinabi. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting tour sa room, ha? Kasi ang daming nagre-request. Pero wala pa rin nagbago. I feel like ito lang yung nagbago. Dahil nag-start ako mag-collect ng pops. Ayan. So guys, maliligo na talaga ako. Ang dedal ko, diba? Na-miss ko kasi mag-vlog, guys. Pero, ayun. Maligo na ako. Bye! Guys, nakaligo na ako. It's been a while. And hinanginan ko na tong number 2 and 3 na balloons ko representing my age just for photo op. And nangungulit yung bata. Get the number 2. Get that. Get that. No, not this one. Ay, si Minnie Mouse niya. Kakagising lang eh. Oh, get it. Dali. Give it to tita. Sam, give it to tita, please. Hindi ito. The other one. That to. Ayun, Sam, oh. Dali. Get it. Dali. Kaya madumi yung mirror ko. Panay hawak yung pambal dyan pag andito sila. Wala kasing ganyan kalaking mirror sa room nila. Ano ba? Pag di ako nagva-vlog, ang dali mong utusan. Nakita niya kasi, ginagamit ko yun dito. Tapos habang, like, hinahanginan ko, diba may sound yan? Sinasayawan niya yung sound, sinasabayan niya. Figure out niya. May hangin na yan eh. Nilalagay. May hangin na yan. No na. Bagong gising yan. Ako bagong ligo. Basa pa. Kiss na nga. Kiss. Take 2, guys.
Ganda.
Sino yan? Babe. One and only babe.
Birthday ng bebe ko.
Guys, nag-photo kami sa taas eh. Hindi ko na, kasi ito yung gamit ko pang vlog, ito rin gamit ko pang photo, so walang BTS yun. Guys, I feel like, hindi pala ako nakagawa ng birthday haul for I think 2 years. And pasensya na guys if ganyan yung setting kasi I'm using my phone. Sinasanay ko nang gamitin yung phone ko when I'm vlogging kasi we're gonna be back at vlogging. I'm very, very confident about that.
Ano yung sinasabi mo?
Na ano?
Ano yung pinagsasabi mo?
Magbe-birthday haul po kami, or ako. I didn't receive so much stuff this year
Stuffed.
due to pandemic. And dahil siguro kapag tumatanda na tayo, wala nang material things tayo masyadong hinihiling. Yun lang ang na-realize ko within the past 3 years na nagba-birthday ako. I feel like pag tumatanda ka na, hindi mo na hinahanap yung mga material na bagay. Parang you opt for parang inner peace, parang happiness, ganun. Health ng family nyo. And alam nyo naman, at this point of time, I just want to let it out there. Huwag kayo masyado mag-expect sa birthday haul ko. Ang ingay ng plastic. Okay, so hindi ko na papakita yung box kasi nag-OOB ako. First gift is from my kuya. If you're following me on Instagram, pero I've never showed this on my YouTube channel. Kasi I feel like wala naman akong audience that collects Funko Pops. So, hindi siya relevant for my channel. Pero if you want me to do a collection, although hindi naman to ganun karami, but some of them are hard to find now, lalo na walang open na malls. This one is Rapunzel. I'm completing the Disney Princess. My first pops are Marvel related. You know, I really love Avengers and Iron Man. So, I started collecting those. And then, nahook ako sa Disney Pops. Although, it's kind of pricey kasi they're Disney. And some of them are very rare na. Especially yung mga OG na collection. So, ayun. This one is Rapunzel. So, ito regalo sa akin ni Kuya. Nakita ko to sa isang Facebook group. Someone selling it. Reseller siya. So, sabi ko, regalo niya na lang sa akin. So, next is a gift for myself. Actually, hindi to gift for myself. Like, nagbenta kasi ako ng ibang pops, yung mga Marvel ko. So, ito yung pinangbili ko, si Jasmine. May line kasi to, yung naka-dancing pose sila. So, I'm really, like, into that line. Yung basta naka-pose sila for dancing. Ayan, no? Okay, so next is a gift from my parents. Moana, kasama si Hey Hey, tsaka si Pua sa boat. Tawag sa ganito is Pop Rides. So, they also have pop movie moment. So, depende dun sa line or sa cartoon na ilalabas nila. So, this one is kinda in the pricey side kasi pop rides nga siya. So, ayun, kasi mas additional and mas medyo malaki siya. And the pop, ganito talaga itsura ng pop niya. And I really like kasi yung hair niya. Talagang hinahangin. Next is Elsa riding the water nook. water knock, ganun. If you watch Frozen 2, you know na nasakyan niya si water element. So, I'm planning to get the Pop movie moment, which is if you watch The Little Mermaid, yung Kiss the Girl, sobrang ganda. Pero rare siya, so it's kinda, again, on the pricey side. I should say it's about 2,000 pesos. Next is from The Bay. Babe, pakita ka. Ang gulo ng kwarto namin, sorry ah. Ito yung gift ni Alan sa akin. Sabi ko wag na, pero may nagustuhan kasi kaming shirt sa DBTK. So, okay. So, lastly, and the star for this vlog. Ito, gift ko for myself along with Elsa, the Birkenstock, and Jasmine. Charan! I got a new MacBook Air. Ito, ipon ko to. Iwan ko to for the last month. Ayun. Binenta ko yung laptop ko, tapos I bought a new one. Ito, retina display siya. So, it's the same as display ng Pro. But, of course, the Pro's the faster one and you can, yung bigger space. But, hindi naman ako maraming space na tao because I have Google Drive. I use Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google whatever, Google Slides. So, I store all my stuff online. Alam naman natin na when, like, nag-release ang Mac, it can last a lifetime. Maybe kasi yung 2012 nila, active pa rin sa market. And that's what, 8 years ago? And kahit every year sila nagre-release, binabalik-balikan talaga yung mga MacBook nila. Kahit mga older versions, may bumibili pa. Kasi nga, as I said, hindi siya na... Basta magandang investment to. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung may Touch ID. Pero ito yung walang touch bar. Pero alam ko may MacBook Air na may touch bar. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, ayun. Ang haba pala ng... 15 minutes pa lang nagsasalita dito. Yun lang guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ano ba, hindi ko pa alam kung i-end ko tong vlog na to kasi I might vlog pa later. Pero ayun, thank you so much for watching this haul. I know, I babbled too much kahit ang konti nung pinakita ko. Pero ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo because I'm back at vlogging and I miss vlogging. Kaya siguro, ang daldal ko na kahit ang layo-layo na ng mga sinasabi ko.